She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond. Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be installing this lace closure wig from SHEIN. When SHEIN is having a buy one get one sale, you can click the buy one get one sale link in my description or go to SHEIN and just search 111. There are many different items to choose from, but you want to hurry because there are limited quantities. The sale does run from now until November 27th. So you want to add 2 wigs of your choice to the cart, but they have to be wigs from the buy one get one sale page. And then once you have everything in your cart, you can also use the code FREE8 in the coupon code box to select 8 free gifts in addition to the 2 wigs that you'll be getting. And then also you can see that there's different gifts that you can select from, but each one will give you 8 additional gifts. So the hair that I'm using today is their transparent lace loose wave. It's a 4x4 closure wig. I got it in 26 inches, 180 density. This hair is 100% human hair. The hairline is pre-plucked and the knots are pre-bleached, but I'll always just do a little bit more just to get it to how I like it. Y'all see how natural the lace looks, and I haven't even glued or sprayed it down just yet. Now I did add a little bit of powder foundation, but this is definitely a glueless just wear and go wig if you want it to be. Now I'm installing the wig the day before Thanksgiving, so I did want it to stay overnight just for a little bit extra hold. I didn't want to have to worry about having to reinstall this wig, especially since I was going to be cooking on Thanksgiving. So I'm using the Wonder Lace Bond Lace Melt Spray, and now I've been going in with it like 2 or 3 times, or 2 or 3 layers, just for a good hold. To liven up the curls back, I'm just curling this in little sections with my wand curl. And I'm not the best with wigs or even styling, so I always appreciate a wig with minimum effort. And since this wig is already a loose wave curl pattern, the curls stayed overnight. The next day I didn't even have to curl this again.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fix. You know that's my sis. And when she she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see why your heart's icy. Come, baby, come, try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the Titan heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, but yeah, she just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Yeah, dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. Do what you want and need. Bend over, hug up and squeeze. They used to say you didn't know love. I used to say.
And here is the finishing result when I was done. I don't know about y'all, but I absolutely love this look. I adored just everything. The curls were cute. The hair was soft. It's 100% human hair. The fact that I even put this on myself, I was in love. I was obsessed. I could not stop looking at myself. I could not stop taking pictures and videos. So shout out to SHEIN. Shout out to SHEIN. When I was done, y'all, the vibe was, y'all know the guy, Donovan, that sells like that grease, that wave grease. He'd be like, somebody got to see me. That was me. Somebody got to see me. Somebody got to see me, y'all. I was in love with myself all over again. I was like, she fine, but it's giving grown and classy right now. It's giving chic. It's giving, who is she? Who is she? Loved it. The link to this hair will be dropped in the description box below. If you guys are interested in this unit specifically, don't forget to check out SHEIN's buy one get one sale that is running from now until November 27th. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.